Hi friends, good morning. Today we discuss about UPS notification related to NDA and NA. Before going to topic, please subscribe my channel and press the notification bell. Whenever we upload new videos, you get the notification. Important dates. Last date appl- last date for the application form will be 19 January 2021 till 6 p.m. Last date for the fees payment will be by cause 18/01 9 2021. Last date for fees payment online through 19/01 2021 6 till pm. Exam date will be 18/4/2021. Declaration of examination result will be June 2021. Date of interview will be July 2021 to September. Age limit will be minimum not earlier than 02/07/2002, maximum not later than 01/07/2005. Burn must be in between. Vacancy details. Post 1, National Defence Academy. Total will be 370 post. Qualification will be 12th pass. Next will be Naval Academy. In total will be 30 post. Qualification will be 12th pass with physics, chemistry and mathematics of the pattern of the school. Height and body weight. First one will be height. Minimum height 140 centimeters height. Maximum weight will be 35.3. 17 to 20 years. Weight will be 43.1 kgs. 20 to 21 years. This will be 45.1 years. 30 plus 30 30 to 40 years. This will be 47. Above 40% will be 90 years. One 150 meters the middle height. The maximum weight will be 41.6. 17 to 20 years 50.8. Age will be 21 to 53.1. 30 plus age 30 to 40 years will be 55.4. Above 40 years 57.8. Maximum height will be 204 74.8. 91.5 95.7 99.9. Above 40 years this will be 104 kgs. Selection process. Total will be 2 round is there. First round test mathematics code will be 01. Duration of time will be 2.5 hours. 2.5 hours. Maximum work will be 300. General ability test code 02. Duration of exam 2.5 hours. Maximum marks will be 600 marks. Total will be 900. Next are SSP test or interview. Total will be 90 marks. 900 marks. Syllabus for the examination. First paper 1 code will be 01. Mathematics maximum work will be 300 marks. First one will be linear algebra. In linear algebra various topics is there. Next one will be mathematics and determinants, trigonometry, analytical geometry of 2 and 3 dimensions. Next will be integral calculation, differential equations. Next will be vector algebra. Last one will be statistics and probability. What to be in general knowledge? First will be physics. Next one will be chemistry. C will be general science. D will be history and freedom movements. E will be geography. Last one, current events. Note for out of maximum marks assigned part B of this paper. Question will be section A, section B, section C. D, E, F will be approximately 25 marks. A will be 25%. B will be 15%. C will be 10%. D will be 20%. E will be 20%. F will be 10%. Weightage of marks respectively. Application fees. Other candidates 100 rupees for SC and ST candidates. Son of JCO, NCO, others will be nil. Payment mode online or offline. Okay friends, thank you for watching.